Okay. I'm doing yellows and pink. Oh, let's see. Look fabulous. Look at that. That is super cute. Let me get it. So if you want to do this, it's kind of a marble, but it's like a natural and let it run. I really, really like that. And this is like easy to work together, but it can be really difficult as it's a really like a pigmented colors. So you make sure that your beads, your ratio of your liquid and your powder should be like really runny. Great. I'm gonna coat that ombre. If you want to do whole nails, you can. If you want to, I'm gonna add just a little bit glitter. I'm using a gold and right in my hand right here. You can do it by itself like a no glitter. I think it looks cute as well. It doesn't matter. You will never go wrong with this. I promise. Even you're a beginner, try to play with this. First bead. To get your blending ombre. Using the tip of your brush and really gently blend that nude color down. You don't want it too runny, but you don't want it being too wet. Like it too dry, too dry and too runny, like, which is like too wet. Second bead. Thanks so much, Brad. This glitter do everything. It's unlike any other collection glitter. I really love this one. So dramatic. And the second bead, I'm going close to the cuticles, just a hair, and then I just push it gently, puts it up. When apply, it should glance over the nails, kind of apply frosting a cake. You mean pretty nude now? You mean the glitter? Oh, you mean the powder? Yes. Really, you don't want to give it a lot of pressure because your powder is still really like soft and wet, but you don't want to give it too much pressures on it. That's really good. And then I'm going to put the coat of clears right there to coat that. Hey Vicky, did you ask question just now?
So beautiful.
How much did you charge? Oh, you mean this one? Oh, I might miss it earlier. For this nails? For this nails per nails, at least $10 for on the top of your service, which is the nails. One nails had to be at least $10. if not more. It depends on if you put the glitter dramatic on, then price might be different. Because you're doing two colors marbling and you do ombre and dramatic glitter, so you have like 3 different techniques in here. You have ombre, you have encapsulating glitter, and you have 2 colors marbling. Great, good. I'm gonna let it set and we'll shape it and we'll top coat this one. Hello, hi Millie. Good.